Noney district in Manipur is facing severe weather as landslides, floods and continuous rains wreak havoc on daily life. This comes as neighboring Bihar and Nepal also face critical flood situations, though the impact in Noney is reportedly less severe. As per reports, early this morning a landslide occurred at the Awangkul landslide point along National Highway number 37, Imphal jiri Road, disrupting normal activities for residents. The landslide has raised concerns about the safety and accessibility of the region. Heavy rains have been pouring down since 1 a.m., inundating Longmai Bazaar and district's primary market hub. The relentless downpours have led to flooding in Longmai town and surrounding areas, hindering daily operations and causing electricity outages. Weather forecasts predict a further deteriorations in conditions today, with temperatures expected to range between 26 and 33 degrees Celsius. These are warnings of reduced visibility, which could pose additional risks for the local commuters and residents. As the situation unfolds, the impact of similar weather events across the region is being felt deeply.